Stop by and take a look at 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, navigation system, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, premium sound system, 8 speakers, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.